Thank you very much, Chairman. All colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, it's really my pleasure to be here this morning for this workshop, the final Open China Conference. I will not talk long, but I would like to see a few things. The first one is about this project. Agree with my colleague from EU, that's really very good project, very successful one, has laid a very good foundation for the cooperation between China and the EU in the field of ICT. Just now the EU colleague mentioned the tomorrow's event. I personally remembered 2006, I first attended the EU ICT conference in Helsinki. So I really gave me a very strong impression to see the progress of technology development in EU and EU countries. So later on we had organized a lot of bilateral projects between China and EU and EU member countries. But all very good. Anyway, but this project is really something very special. It's made very good networking and coordinate platform for the people know each other and people do things together in the field of ICT. So I see this project not only itself, but it puts a lot of things together. So that we have, on this platform, we integrate not only the cooperation between China and the EU, but also some of the very excellent bilateral projects. So for example, like the project we have with the Finland, so ICT China, Finland allies, and also we have the China-UK project, South Bridge project in ICT. Also, I see the Professor Xing would be here, so he's from Beihang University, also very comprehensive cooperation with the French side. So all of those things, the people meet together. So it's a really strong, synchronize the cooperation between China and the EU. And also, we can see something beyond this project. So we are expecting more cooperation with the European side in the field of ICT. So tomorrow there will be events very important for us. So we'll try to know what we can do in the future with the EU side. So nowadays, a lot of things have been changed compared with was the 20 or 10 years. But one thing I think is not changed yet. The thing is that it's really very important for China and the EU to have cooperation in the field of science and technology. What kind of format of cooperation is not so important, but we should have strong willingness to work together. Yesterday in the morning, I talked to the people in London. It's the one organization, NASTA. They just launched a very good report to analyze the cooperation between China and the UK. I just mentioned to them, that's really very good report. But usually such report, they have the really very similar procedures to see how to work with China. They first analyze the risks to cooperate with China. I tell them, okay, that's good, necessary, but nowadays you should also analyze the risks not to cooperate with China. I think it's also useful for our cooperation. I don't mean that we just ask you to do cooperation. I see we really want to learn from you, still want to learn from you, European side, and also we think our cooperation can be benefited to us. Of course, you can realize it could be also benefit to you. Otherwise, it will be not so popular for people, you know, from China and from Europe to have conference or project. So this month there will be a lot of very important events happen both in China and the EU. So in 23, on 23 this month, there will be EU-China summit in Beijing. So during the summit, there will be innovation dialogue between China and the EU. So my colleagues have been very busy to prepare it. We hope this event could be one of very important for the summit. Finally, I thank you very much for all of you to work together with us on behalf of Chinese side, Ministry of Science and Technology, and also my center. We really appreciate very much for your help and for your cooperation. Now I'm working on China Science and Technology Exchange Center. We play multiple roles to work together with the European colleagues. For example, we also China EU Science Technology Cooperation Promotion Office. At the same time, we play the role as the national contact point to help the scientists, research institute, universities between China and the EU to set up a linkage. So I hope in the future, not only in this field, but in not limited in this project or beyond this project, even other fields, you can come to us, or maybe we'll come to you to get more help. So finally, I wish this conference great successful. Thank you very much.